Gilles, how are you? I heard you recently had a glass of wine with Michel.
One glass of wine? Oh, I think it was 2 or 3 bottles.
So you had a nice evening together?
Yeah, sort of. I believe we totally lost control.
If I was nasty, I could ask, how can you lose control in a controlled society?
Very funny. Michel wasn't very disciplined either, huh?
Actually, it was you who wrote that discipline has ceased to be the dominant form of power. In that sense, you shouldn't wonder about Michel.
As I wrote in 1989, and I quote, "It is sometimes thought that Foucault paints a picture of modern societies in terms of disciplinary social apparatuses, in opposition to older social apparatuses in which sovereignty is the key concept. Yet, this is by no means the case. The disciplines which Foucault describes are the history of what we gradually cease to be, and our present-day reality takes on the form of dispositions of overt and continuous control in a way which is very different from recent closet disciplines."
So you think that control is a new form of power?
Yes. Basically, all of this is about the correspondence between societies and machines. Disciplinary societies were equipped with thermodynamic machines presenting the passive danger of entropy and the active danger of sabotage. Control societies function with the next generation of machines with information technologies and computers, where the passive danger is noise and the active piracy and viral contamination. Now, I am convinced that this technological development is deeply rooted in a mutation of capitalism that is the shift from production to product and from factory to market. Michel would probably highlight other aspects, in particular the biomedical relation between bodies and machines. Or he would direct your attention to the fact that every form of discourse is accompanied by specific technologies of control. The internet is a wonderful example for this.
Young man, that sounds very interesting indeed. I could bring a bottle of wine from my family's vineyard. How about having a glass together?